G'day guys, Matt here from Fourbie Sessions Australia. Today I'm going to show you my awesome trundle draw that I got from GT Works. This thing is super strong, just like their trays. So originally we didn't have the trundle drawer in, so it used to have this really neat infill that GT Works do, which is absolutely awesome. It went from here to there. It gave the illusion there was a trundle drawer, but obviously there wasn't, so we're waiting for them to come in, and I'll tell you what, the weight was absolutely worth it. So the guys can put these in at any time. So if you don't have the money straight away, that's the best thing about this tray, as I've said over and over again. Any part of the tray you want to change or add or anything like that, you can do at any point, which is great. So this trundle drawer is huge. I think it's 1670 long, really 1700 long. Look at the size of it. Hard top, which is awesome. Keeps all the dust and everything out, and even water. I haven't had any water in there either. I use it as a table. It's been great camping, literally cooking on it. I also sit on it. Like, it takes the weight like you wouldn't believe. It's got a double catch system underneath. So it's got nylon roller bearings instead of like your normal bearings, so they don't ever get dirt and grit in them. Always slides perfectly. So let me show you inside here. Lockable top, so that's all good. Pop this up. How cool is that? So I've got a lot of stuff in here. So here's the dust seal. It seals up perfectly with the top, and once you fix up my bloody rod. So that's the dust seal. Locker in place, and dust is not getting in. And I tell you what, it works so well. I'm blown away with how well it actually works. I've been on some super dusty roads and all my gear has stayed perfectly dust free, which is unreal. I'm always going on how tough the stuff from GT Works actually is. So let's see how tough this is. So here I have a section of it. Let's see. Yeah, like, it's pretty strong. Let's go bigger. Like, that's pretty damn strong. So it runs nylon roller bearings top and bottom. So you don't just have two roller bearings either side just holding the weight of it. It's got double. It's got two at the top and two at the bottom, both sides. So you got four either side transferring all the weight, which is unreal. It makes it roll so much nicer. It just bolts into the chassis where all these extra mounts were. They're showing you where you can move your tray from car to car. So it mounts all there. Super neat, and can take the weight. So you're probably wondering, how much does the actual drawer weigh? It is 58 kilos on its own, so it has a little bit of weight, but 58 kilos for that size drawer, it's nothing. But you've got to be careful with weights these days. No one really knew what GVM is until everyone started, watching it and seeing how quickly you can get over it. But the drawer is 58 kilos. And that's one thing you do have to consider, is the extra weight. And I do know when I put the extra weight in, I had to upgrade the springs, because I'm always carrying a load. Then when I was putting the van on, it was just squatting like you wouldn't believe. So I do have upgraded springs now, but it's amazing how handy these drawers are, because I tell you what, it was so good to get my stuff out of the car and under the ute. It's 1600, a bit over 1600 long. It goes all the way to the back. As you can see, those treads go right in underneath. It's really maximizing the hole underneath the tray, which is unreal. I'm super stoked with it. It works so well. If you're looking into a trundle drawer, definitely check these guys out. Or if you're getting a tray done by GT Works, definitely ask them to quote you a trundle drawer, because let me tell you, you won't be disappointed. Even if you can't afford it straight away, get them to quote it up, have a look at it, and you can get it put on at any time. That is the best thing about GT Works. You can put any one of their accessories on at any point. Anyway guys, I'll bring you more videos, more I keep doing. Have a good one.